Hello guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to add extensions in Mihon app. So first, navigate to the settings by clicking on the more option. Now go to browse, then go to the extension repo. Once you are here, now we have to paste the link to the extension repo. To copy the link for the extension, open any browser, then search Kiyoshi extension and visit the first GitHub website. Now scroll down and here you will find the link URL. Make sure to copy the same URL. After that, navigate to the Mihon app. Again, now tap on add and simply paste the URL here, then hit add. Now go back to the Mihon homepage, go to the browse section and go to extension. If you are not seeing any extensions here, wait for a few minutes or restart the app and you will get the extensions for the Mihon app. And that's it. Thank you guys for watching this video. If this video was helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe to my YouTube channel.